Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this blue and gold starry rhinestone makeup look. To start this look, I tape off the edges of the eyes. Then I'm priming the eyes with the LA Girl white concealer. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette for the dark blue shade, and I'm using this to create the cut crease shape. This shade is a very dark kind of royal blue shade with some sparkles in it. Next, using the same palette, I'm using the medium blue shade to blend that out. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter and using this as sparkles all over the top of the color. Next, I'm using makeup remover and Q-tips to cut the crease. Next, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm using the shade Primavera, which is a light kind of champagne gold, and I'm putting this on the lids. Next, I used the Mehron metallic powder and made an eyeliner right along the cut crease. But after putting this on, I noticed you can't really tell because of the previous gold color we used, but I decided to go along with it anyway. Next, I added 2 star rhinestones on both sides. And then added other gold metallic rhinestones along the cut crease to create a sort of starry night look. Next, for the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and then I'll be topping this with false lashes. And that completes this blue and gold rhinestone starry night makeup look. I thought this was a fun kind of whimsical look. I really like the combination of the blue and the gold. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.